In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the textures not loading or graphics not loading error in Fortnite. So make sure that you watch this video till the end if you want to know how to fix it. And let's start. So the first step is to open the Epic Games launcher. Click on the settings icon. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Fortnite. Now click on additional command line arguments. So click on the box. And what you want to do now is, if you have any text in here, then just delete it all. And after that, paste the command from the description. So copy it and paste it. And there it is. I would advise you to not use the no texture streaming command line, because that is the reason why the textures aren't loading for you. And you may get a little bit of an FPS boost with that, but as a result you won't get the textures loaded in time. Once you're done, you can close the Epic Games launcher. The second step is to right click on the taskbar and open the task manager. Now what you want to do is close any process, any application that you don't currently need while you play Fortnite. So I don't know, for example, you can close the Epic Games launcher because you don't need it. You can also close the Google Crash Handler, etc. You can close the mail and calendar accounts, Microsoft Edge, etc. And also close Chrome. So close Google Chrome while you play Fortnite, because Google Chrome just takes up a lot of RAM, and I would recommend to use Microsoft Edge or something like that, some other browser, because Google Chrome takes a lot of your RAM memory. Once you close all of the applications that you don't need, you can go and play Fortnite. The third step is to click on the search bar and type graphics, settings, and open the graphics settings, system settings. Now click on browse. Click on this PC. Go to your drive where you have Fortnite installed at, so mine is at local disk C. Double click on program files. Click on the Epic Games folder. Open the Fortnite folder. Open Fortnite game. Binaries. Win64. And now click on Fortnite Clan Win64 shipping.exe. So it's the first one. Once you click it, click on add. And click on options. Now set the graphics preference to high performance and click on save. You can now close the graphics settings. The fourth step is to right click on the battery, click on power options, and set the power plan to high performance or ultimate performance. If you don't have the ultimate performance and you're on Windows 10, then you can just search it up on Google. Once you set it, you can close the power options. The next step is to click on the search bar, type regedit, and open the registry editor. Click on yes. Now click on the arrow next to HQ local machine. Click on the arrow next to software. Click on the arrow next to Microsoft. Click on the arrow next to Windows NT. It should be somewhere around the bottom. Okay, so there it is. Click on the arrow next to current version. And now click on the arrow next to multimedia. Click on system profile. And now right click somewhere in the white space. Click on new. Click on the word 32-bit value. And name it system responsiveness. Okay, and now double click on it and set the value data to 0 and click on OK. The next step is to click on the arrow next to system profile, click on the arrow next to tasks, and click on games. Now set the GPU priority, double click on GPU priority, and set the value data to 8. Double click on priority and set the value data to 6 and click on OK, and double click on scheduling category and set the value data to high and click on OK. and you can now restart your PC. And the last step is to open Fortnite. Once you open it, go to the settings, and now in video settings what you want to do is set the window mode to full screen, set the display resolution however you like, set the frame rate limit to unlimited, lower the 3D resolution, so set it around, I don't know, 60%, set the shadows to off, anti-aliasing to off, set the textures to low, effects to low, and post-processing to low. Turn off VSync, turn off the motion blur, and turn on the allow multi-threaded rendering option. Once you do that, you can click on apply and click on back. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like if it helped, and if it didn't, then comment down below and I'm gonna try and help you. Thanks for watching again, and bye.